Hello and welcome to Zulf Photography. In this episode, I ask Reddit questions again. So Zulf asks Reddit questions. There's a great community on photography and other subjects on Reddit. So what I do is I normally ask questions, get the answers, and share them with you. There's a lot of knowledgeable experts on Reddit which actually have genuine knowledge. And if you like this video, I have more of this kind linked in a playlist for LinkedIn groups as well. So have a look at those and subscribe so you get notifications directly to you. Here we go. What's the last photography equipment you misplaced or lost? I keep losing lens caps and leads. What's the most expensive thing you have lost or misplaced? Let's see what Reddit says. Wanna know works. Oh, he's a regular. Thank you. He's commented again. Lens caps are probably the most expensive thing I've lost in the last 15 years. Touch wood. I'm happy if that's the only thing I lose in 15 years. That's very good. Caps, that tends to happen. Okay, some lame photo guy. Hello, Mr. Lame photo guy. I bought a bunch of generic caps, lens caps on Amazon because I lose those. I've lost my cheap flash triggers also. Yep, I use Yongnuo flash triggers too. Cheap enough to replace, so that's not too bad. Okay, deleted something. Okay, lost my Sigma 17 to 50 Iridium, Elium, I think I said that right. Okay, oh, that's a shame. Thought it was stolen. Workplace helped me foot the replacement because they thought the same. Then months later, they found it. Have an extra of my Workhorse lens now. Not getting rid of it just yet. It was agonizing though. Yeah, I can imagine losing a lens as well. That's oh, okay. Someone helpful put it in a safe place. Yeah, most likely, probably science guy, rubbish science guy. Yeah, the place I was shooting at was a bar that's still trying to figure basic stuff out, like how to run a business. So they hadn't figured out how to keep stuff we randomly took out the other end of the night secure, and how to remember where we put it for a while. Yes, it was awful. Lens cap, hot shoe covers, eyepiece covers. Yeah, that's a big one, especially with Canon. If you put it in your, I've got a Pelican case. If you push it straight down, sometimes the eyepiece just comes off. So I agree there. Probably a total of $100 spent replacing those. Recently, I lost a Sony Z battery for a couple of weeks, but it turned up under my bed inside a shoe. Charging your shoe probably. Most have made it its way there while I was unpacking after. Yep, that sounds good. Or the borrowers probably borrowed it. Well, after I upgraded my camera this year, I lost a battery charger, and the battery is different from my old camera. So none of my old chargers work. Oh dear, I had to buy a new charger, which was like $30. Now I found the original charger, but can't find the one I bought. Oh, and I have a Manfrotto tripod that uses this small button piece to attach the camera to the tripod. Lost that one time, and when I yeah, some of the tripods have like a funky plate, and if you lose it, they're quite expensive to replace as well. So thank you everybody that took part in that subreddit and answered those questions. I have a whole playlist dedicated to asking Reddit and LinkedIn forum questions, and they answer me with photography related questions. So thanks for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.